Hi guys, so in this video I want to explain to you how you can achieve the same color grading on different photos of the same client wearing the same outfit in the same backdrop or environment um, without using LUTs. Sometimes the LUTs limits you, but in this picture this is exactly how I wanted the color grading to look like. Okay, so I didn't use any LUT. Okay, um, so let's delve into it. Now, this picture has already been retouched. Okay, as you can see, this is the before and then this is the after. So skin work, color correction, everything has been done already. Yeah, eye cleaning, everything has been done. So let's go straight to the point. Here are the elements I used in my color grading: the gradient map, okay, the selective color, the vibrance, color balance, and then brightness and contrast. Okay, so these are the elements I used for this particular picture to achieve this look, this color grade. So I want to print the same thing on this picture. Okay, and to do that we simply have to, as we have done, select all the color grading elements that I used: the brightness, the color balance, the vibrance, the selective color, and then the gradient map. Okay, as I have done here by pressing and holding the command key, or if you are using Windows, the control key. Okay, right. So I have selected them, and I'll make sure that I have my move tool picked. Okay, move tool selected, and then make sure my auto select is unchecked. Okay, it's unchecked, so that when I click on the picture it doesn't automatically select anything else apart from the ones that I have highlighted here. So then I move the highlighted layers onto the next picture and drop it. Okay, now as you can see, they have been dropped here. These are the layers from the other picture and they have been dropped nicely here, but you can see some patches of colors here. Okay, and they are from the color, the gradient map, sorry, the gradient map. So look at it: off, on, off, and on. This is because the pose for the previous picture is not the same as this picture. So it means that you have a work to do here by deleting this mask and then creating a new mask. Okay, yes, I only use the option key and then the add a vector mask. Okay, then it will automatically invert the mask for you to now use the brush to brush on the subject skin only, because that is the aim of the what the gradient map. Okay, yeah, so when you do that, you're going to achieve the same look. Even now that we have not even brushed the gradient map, you can see the skin tone or the color grade looking nicer than it was before. Okay, so look at this: before and after. Okay, before and after. Looks good, even though we have not applied the gradient map on it. So guys, this is how you can achieve the same consistent color grading for your clients, um, and then they will like it. I hope this video was helpful. Let's meet again in the next video. Thank you.